As we navigate the dynamic landscape of 2024, fortifying our financial well-being has never been more crucial. The coming year offers a myriad of opportunities and challenges, making it imperative to adopt astute personal finance strategies. To embark on a journey of fiscal resilience, start by crafting a comprehensive budget that not only addresses daily expenses, but also paves the way for savings and investments. Embrace the digital era by leveraging cutting-edge budgeting apps and automated tools, streamlining financial management for enhanced efficiency. So in this video, we'll tell you about personal finance tips in 2024, so stay tuned till the end. But before starting, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And now, let's get started. In the realm of investments, diversification stands as an unwavering principle. With markets evolving, staying informed about emerging trends becomes paramount, allowing you to make informed decisions and optimize your portfolio for maximum returns. Explore ethical and sustainable investment avenues, aligning your financial choices with personal values. Preparing for unforeseen circumstances is a cornerstone of financial stability. Cultivate an emergency fund, providing a financial cushion equivalent to 3 to 6 months' living expenses. Adopting a frugal mindset, coupled with shrewd negotiation tactics, allows for heightened savings on routine expenditures. This year, prioritizing credit health is pivotal. Monitor and bolster your credit score, a pivotal factor in securing favorable terms on loans and credit cards. Regularly reassess and realign your financial goals, adapting to life changes and economic shifts. The year ahead invites us to cultivate supplementary income streams, delve into prudent debt management, and invest not just in assets but also in our financial acumen. As we ushered in 2024, let us embark on a journey of financial empowerment and resilience, armed with insightful strategies to navigate the complex financial terrain ahead. Here are 10 personal finance tips in 2024. 10. Embrace sustainable investing. In 2024, embrace sustainable investing to align your financial choices with positive environmental and social impact. Channel your funds into companies prioritizing environmental stewardship, ethical practices, and social responsibility. Sustainable investing not only promotes a healthier planet, but also supports businesses fostering long-term resilience. Evaluate eco-friendly funds, renewable energy projects, and socially responsible companies to contribute to a more sustainable and equitable future. By integrating environmental, social, and governance (ESG) criteria into your investment decisions, you not only aim for financial returns, but also actively participate in fostering a world that balances profit with purpose. 9. Explore cryptocurrency with caution. Cryptocurrency remains a hot topic in 2024, but it's essential to approach it with caution. When delving into cryptocurrency, exercise caution and thorough research. While it presents exciting opportunities, the market is highly volatile. Start with a small, manageable investment and diversify across established cryptocurrencies. Stay informed about market trends, technological developments, and regulatory changes. Beware of potential scams and only use reputable exchanges. Consider consulting with financial advisors to assess risks and align investments with your overall financial goals. Cryptocurrency can be a valuable addition to your portfolio, but careful navigation is essential to navigate its inherent uncertainties. 8. Maximize remote work opportunities. In 2024, capitalize on the evolving work landscape by maximizing remote work opportunities. Embrace the flexibility to work from home, which not only enhances work-life balance, but also opens avenues for potential cost savings. Optimize your home office setup for efficiency and explore remote job opportunities or freelance gigs. This not only diversifies income streams, but also broadens your professional network. Leverage digital platforms to upskill and stay competitive in the remote work environment. By aligning your skills with the demands of the virtual workplace, you can enhance your financial prospects and adapt to the changing dynamics of the professional landscape. 7. Continuously upskill for career growth. In the realm of personal finance, a strategic tip for 2024 is to prioritize continuous upskilling for sustained career growth. Embrace the rapidly evolving job market by acquiring new skills and certifications relevant to your field. This proactive approach not only enhances your professional value but also opens doors to higher-paying opportunities. Invest in online courses, workshops, or industry-specific training programs to stay ahead of the curve. A dynamically skilled professional is better positioned to navigate economic shifts, secure promotions, and boost long-term earning potential. By committing to continuous learning, you not only fortify your financial stability, but also cultivate a mindset of adaptability crucial in today's competitive workplace landscape. 6. Automate your finances. A key personal finance tip for 2024 is to automate your finances. Set up automatic transfers for savings, investments, and bill payments to ensure consistency and discipline in managing your money. Automating finances not only saves time, but also reduces the likelihood of forgetting or delaying crucial payments. Embrace technology by utilizing banking apps and financial tools that offer automated features. This proactive approach fosters financial stability, eliminates the risk of late fees, and promotes consistent contributions to savings and investment accounts. By automating your finances, you create a reliable foundation for long-term financial success. 5. Prioritize mental health and financial wellness. In the realm of personal finance, prioritizing mental health is an often overlooked yet essential component of overall well-being. Stress, anxiety, and uncertainty can significantly impact financial decisions. Take intentional steps to manage stress, such as creating a realistic budget, setting achievable financial goals, and seeking support when needed. Establishing a healthy relationship with money involves recognizing the interconnectedness of mental health and financial wellness. Consider practicing mindfulness to foster a positive mindset and make more thoughtful financial choices. Regularly assess and adjust financial goals in alignment with your mental and emotional well-being. Ultimately, a harmonious balance between mental health and financial stability can lead to more informed decisions and a resilient financial future. 4. Optimize your credit score. Optimizing your credit score is a pivotal personal finance strategy in 2024. A robust credit score opens doors to favorable interest rates on loans and credit cards, saving you money in the long run. Regularly monitor your credit report for inaccuracies and address any discrepancies promptly. Pay bills on time, as payment history significantly influences your credit score. Aim to keep credit card balances low relative to your credit limit, demonstrating responsible credit usage. Avoid opening unnecessary credit accounts, as each inquiry can temporarily impact your score. Cultivate a mix of credit types, balancing credit cards, loans, and other forms of credit. By conscientiously managing your credit, you not only enhance your financial standing, but also position yourself for better opportunities in the ever-evolving financial landscape. 3. Diversify income streams. In 2024, diversifying income streams emerges as a pivotal personal finance tip for resilience and prosperity. Relying on a singular source of income can leave one vulnerable to economic uncertainties. Explore supplementary avenues such as side hustles, freelancing, or passive investments to create a more robust financial foundation. Diversification not only provides a safety net in the face of unexpected setbacks, but also unlocks opportunities for accelerated wealth accumulation. Embrace the gig economy, invest in your skills, and identify new revenue streams that align with your strengths and interests. By cultivating multiple sources of income, you not only enhance your financial security, but also position yourself to capitalize on various opportunities in the evolving economic landscape. 2. Review and update your insurance coverage. In 2024, a crucial personal finance tip is to regularly review and update your insurance coverage. Life is dynamic, and your insurance needs may evolve with time. Ensure that your health, life, auto, and home insurance policies adequately reflect your current circumstances. Assess major life changes such as marriage, the birth of a child, or career advancements, as these may necessitate adjustments to your coverage. Stay informed about policy terms, exclusions, and deductibles to guarantee optimal protection. Additionally, Shop around for competitive rates and consider bundling policies for potential cost savings. A proactive approach to insurance ensures that you are adequately shielded from unforeseen events, providing financial security for you and your loved ones in the face of life's uncertainties. 1. Stay informed and flexible. In the ever-evolving landscape of personal finance, staying informed and flexible is paramount for success. Keep abreast of economic trends, market fluctuations, and changes in financial regulations to make informed decisions. Regularly review and adjust your financial plan in response to shifts in your life circumstances or the broader economic environment. Flexibility allows you to adapt to unexpected challenges and seize new opportunities. Embrace a proactive approach by consistently educating yourself about investment options, saving strategies, and emerging financial technologies. By remaining vigilant and flexible, you empower yourself to navigate the complexities of personal finance with agility, ensuring that your financial goals align with the dynamic nature of the world around you. In conclusion, heeding personal finance tips is indispensable for a resilient and prosperous future. These insights empower individuals to navigate economic uncertainties, achieve financial goals, and cultivate a stable financial foundation. By adopting prudent budgeting, informed investing, and maintaining financial flexibility, individuals can weather unforeseen challenges and capitalize on opportunities. Ultimately, embracing sound personal finance principles provides not just economic security, but also peace of mind, allowing individuals to lead fulfilling lives unburdened by financial stress and uncertainty. As we strive for financial well-being, remember that learning from successful entrepreneurs can offer valuable insights. Our next video delves into the financial habits of successful entrepreneurs you should adopt today. Gain inspiration from their strategies to elevate your financial journey. To stay updated on insightful content, consider subscribing to our channel. Together, let's embark on a journey toward financial success and empowerment. Don't miss out on the knowledge that can shape your financial future. Subscribe now and join us in exploring the habits that can lead to lasting financial prosperity.